Hello, thanks for joining in. Today I'm in this incredible place in Hawaii called the Sharks Cove, where we are doing a lot of video shooting using drones, the DJI Pocket Osmo. The content which we are creating right now is video, time-lapse, hyperlapse and aerial footage of videos and photos from the drones, which I will show you later on. But the setup which I've got over here right now is we're doing a motion lapse where this gimbal is rotating every few seconds, or I think pretty much every second. Takes a shot and is going to make into a really nice time lapse, which will give us not a 360-degree view, but I would say about 180-degree view. So all we need is the extension, DJI extension rod, a smartphone, the Osmo Pocket. You set it up and let it run for about 5 minutes or so, and that's all you need to do. And it's super easy and effortless. Pretty much you don't need to do anything. You can just admire the scene, enjoy the scenery, have a cup of tea or a cold drink or whatever you want. And when the 5 minutes are over, or whatever the length of time you are shooting the time lapse, it's going to stop, render it up and give you an MP4 file, which you can then upload directly to your website, YouTube, or wherever you want. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's super easy. Give it a go and let me know how you get the results. So thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.